Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make air dry clay at home. This is a non-cooked method. Here are some clays I have already prepared. This is completely cook free. It's very soft. Okay, now let's see what and all ingredients we need for this. You need a mixing bowl, a cup of corn flour or cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Now the measurement is very simple. It depends completely on your corn flour measurement. If you take a cup like this, you need to take a white glue 1/4 cup. Any cup that you are taking for the measurement, you have to take 1/4 cup of glue. Let's start making clay. One cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and 1/4 cup of white glue. Any kind of white glue will work. Take any disposable spoon or a stick, popsicle stick like this, to mix the glue and cornstarch together. At this point, you can add pigment, your desired pigment, or you can leave it white, and after mixing the clay, you can mix the pigment. Start to mix it. Now at this point, I'm going to use this pigment. At this point, you can use any kind of lotion or conditioner to make it more smoother. I'm using this lotion to make it smoother a little bit. At this point, you can take it out from the bowl and knead on the surface. Make sure your surface is clean. You can put a little bit corn flour before you start to mix it. Not sticking to my hands or gloves. It's almost ready. It's very stretchy. We'll add a little bit more of cornstarch. It's very smooth, it's very workable, it's not sticking. Homemade air dry clay is ready. You can make ornaments, any kind of clay models using it. You can mix additional pigments and change the color of same clay. With this one, first I made blue color and added red to make the purple one, and I added yellow color to the blue to make green one. So you can mix and match and make any color of clay you want. Make sure to wrap it with the cling wrap and keep it in airtight box, otherwise it will dry out. And after making the clay, you can leave it outside in a open area to make it a little hard. After 1 or 2 hours, you can wrap it up and keep it in the airtight box, and you can use whenever you want it. That's all for today's video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment.